Hello guys, this is ASAD YAQUB and once again I welcome you to my IELTS speaking video. 7 band in 7 days. Wow, that's amazing, huh? 7 band in 7 days? Is it possible? Yes, it is possible if you believe it. If you believe it is possible and if you are willing to make it possible, I'm giving you a challenge. I'm giving you a target. Right now, if you're willing, if you believe it, you can make it possible. Otherwise, you say, no. Asad sir was joking. Asad sir was kidding. So, let me just tell you what's the plan. Well, the first part of the plan is you got to identify where your speaking is at the moment. If you've taken IELTS test already, you know better. If not, then you can watch some videos on YouTube where they say, well, this candidate got 6 band, this candidate got 7 band, this candidate got 8 band. From there, you can actually match your English with those candidates' English, and then you can see, yeah, I stand at 6 band, I stand at 5 band, I stand at 5.5 band, and then I need to go further from there. Now, the first thing is you should have very good resources for IELTS speaking, full stop. What are the resources? You should have at least 500-600 questions, topic-wise questions of speaking part 1. For example, favorite color. What's your favorite color? Why do you like this color? How often do you use this color? What was your favorite color when you were a child? Okay, how do you use this color in your everyday life? So you should have a list of questions and there should be around 100 to 200 commonly used topics. So you should have the questions. Now the first thing, after reading the question, you should see what happens to you. I mean, immediately, do you develop the ideas? Do you come up with the ideas that, okay, this is the question. Yes, I can answer this question. I can say this. I can say this one to answer this question. So you need to develop your mindset that after reading the question, and by the way, you know, sometimes we never answer those type of questions, right? So, I mean, people don't ask such questions and we don't answer. As a result, when they ask us in speaking, and if we don't read all the questions, then we start scratching our head actually, yeah, we start scratching our head and yeah, I know my favorite dish, I know, yeah, so because you never answer, and if you answer before, then you will start your answer. You say, what's your favorite color? Today I ask you the question, my favorite color is black and I like it very much. Tomorrow I ask you, what's your favorite color? My favorite color is black and I like it. Day after tomorrow I ask you, what's your favorite color? My favorite color is black and I like it. 4 days after tomorrow, what's your favorite color? My favorite color is black and I like it. 5 days after, what's your favorite color? My favorite color is black and I like it very much. This is my favorite color. Ever since I was a child, I always like black color. Ask me more questions. See that? You can answer without using your brain, without thinking, without generating the ideas. You don't need to generate the ideas. A lady is making flatbread every day. She is doing like this. She's not thinking, now this, how sweet, flatbread is ready. No, she's just working. At times there's a mobile. How is auntie? Okay, how is uncle? How is he? How is she? Here you go, another flatbread, and she's talking as well. She's not thinking. This is what you guys need to do. Think about the answers. Even you can read model answers, but never cram model answers. I mean, for example, if somebody answers the question, what do you do in your free time? You don't do that in your free time. So you don't need to cram that answer. But you need to just go through the answer. All right, this gentleman watches movies in his free time. All right, this lady does laundry in her free time. But I do different things in my free time. I'll tell the examiner personally, okay? So things like that. I mean, never cram the answers because your answers are always customized and examiners are looking for customized answers. One examiner conducts around 20 to 30 IELTS speaking tests a day, or sometimes 40 to 50 IELTS speaking tests a day, and they know if the question is what's your favorite color? Nature is full of colors and there are many beautiful colors in nature. My favorite color is black. Candidate number 2, what's your favorite color? Nature is full of colors and there are many colors in the nature. My favorite color is candidate number 3. Then the examiner says, yeah, Yeah, they have crammed the answers, right? So always try to give original answer. Let me tell you, original answer is going to be different. It's not going to be like that. In the same way, cue cards. Now you can find the list of cue cards. There are many cue cards. Makar IELTS, they've got very good cue cards. If you go to Google, write IELTS speaking cue cards, then there are the latest cue cards. I also upload cue cards. I get them from my students who take the IELTS test. Very fresh and recent cue cards I upload. Now you got to read the cue card and see what will I speak about it. Then there are some sample answers and you can't just go through that. Okay, this student used this vocabulary, these sentences. Let me tell you, there is one good book for IELTS speaking, and that is IELTS Journal. IELTS Journals for Speaking. Journal is Journal. IELTS Journal for Speaking. So you can get that book, and from there, speaking part 1, questions with answers, speaking part 2, cue cards with sample answers, and speaking part 3, questions with answers, and you can prepare yourselves very, very, very well. Thank you very much, guys. My camera's battery is running out, so this is the plan. Once you go through this plan, once the answers are, readily available, you can easily answer and you can easily get 7 band. Getting 7 in speaking is not a big deal. That's all. Thank you very much. If you like this video, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. I run another channel, ASAD YAQUB Vlogs. You can subscribe to that as well. And I also teach IELTS online. If you want to join my online IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. I'm tired. ASAD YAQUB wishes you all the best from this beautiful place. Take good care of yourselves. Bye-bye. Adios. Cheerio.